Hi everyone, happy summer. Thought we might start the year by doing one of my summer recipes from my book, Tasteful, Flavoursome Food to Share with Style at Your Table. This is the actual summer chapter, which I've called Summer Love. And the recipe I've chosen today is my Summertime Fennel Mussels, and that's them at the back there. So that's what we're making today. So here we have some beautiful black mussels. It's about 2 kilos. I've just given them a scrub, and I need to remove the beard just by pulling it out like that. And I tend to use a little coconut sort of brush like that to give them a good scrub under running water. If you find that some of them are wide open, then discard them. But if they're a little bit open, often you tap them and they'll close and go back to sleep. So they're all ready to go, washed, and that's probably the hardest part. Now we've got some chopping to do. We're going to chop some capsicum, about 4 tomatoes, 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm also going to chop up a fennel, but I want to make sure I take off all those beautiful little fennel fronds for garnish, and I'm just going to keep them in ice water. So a little bit of chopping to do now. Okay, now we're going to saute the capsicum, the fennel, and also the garlic till it's nice and soft, and about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Once they're sauteed, in with the mussels and the tomatoes. Of Pinot Gris. Just give that a mix and put the lid on and let it simmer for about 10 minutes until the shells open up. And now toss in 60 grams of butter and give it a mix. And just serve it up with a sprinkling of dill and serve it with a glass of Pinot Grigio.